Hello guys, welcome back. Uh, our today's tutorial is still in place mass. This is our part 5 of our exercise. And before we continue guys, if you are new to my channel, YouTube channel, I invite you and welcome you to my channel. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I promise you guys, you will learn many things regarding BIM or building information modeling, most especially this very important tool for BIM is Autodesk Revit. And now this is now my last tutorial regarding this massing environment, and on my next video I'm going to introduce to you a new topic. The topic that I have preferred to uh, share is about using Revit for the beginners. If you are a new and want to have a career in BIM, now this is the tutorial for you guys. And now on today's topic, what are we gonna learn from our new topic for today? Number one, you will learn how to synchronize your model. And then number two, when you change your dimension, it will spread equal from the center of your reference line and reference point. And number three, you will learn how to host your points. So guys, now let's start. I've opened Revit, and then I go to family, and then from families I'll click this new, and I'm going to select this English metric family templates, double click it and go to conceptual mass, and then double click it and then metric mass and open. Okay, first I'm going to change my unit UN, and then length, and then meters, and then 2 decimal places, then OK, and then OK. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is we need to set our parameters. So I'm going to set our parameters. Then we go to family type, and then from family type I'm going to create a new parameter, and a new parameter I'm going to name it level or our level 1 or ground floor, and then make it instance, and then OK. Maybe I want to change this group parameter under constraints, and then OK, and then apply, and then again I want to create another one, another level, and we will name it L1 or level 1, and then just instance, and then OK. Let's accept these dimensions, and then again what I'm going to do is another parameter, new parameter, and name it again L2 or capital L2 or level 2, and then instance and also dimensions, and then OK. Then number 3, I want to make this again L3 level 3, and then instance, and then OK. And then again another, I want to make it L4, and then make it instance, and then OK, and then apply, and then OK. This is our parameter. And then the next move that we're going to do is we need to create a point, and then from reference I'm going to create a point, and then point anywhere, and then from this point I'm going to set my reference point and select this reference plane and just make it a tab. Okay, I'll select it, and in that selected one I want to make a reference plane, and I'm going to make a reference plane like this. And in this reference plane I'm going to, because this is already in reference point, if I'm going to not select this point, let's see guys, if I'm going to do like this, just make a reference point without selecting this reference plane, or just click that one, click this, and just make a reference, and then I have a reference to level 1 and make a reference, and then this one is not reference to that point. So the reason why I reference this to that point is that I want this geometry that we have created to be synchronized into this point. So you can also again reference this to that point by selecting level, or just select this and pick a point, and you can pick it. And now when you select this, now it is reference to that point. And again, if I'm going to make it a dimension, like I dimension it, and I make a parameter, and make it W1 for our width one, W1 for make it W lower ground 1, WL1, and make it instance, and then OK. And then also this one, make it equal, and then I'm going to make it also WL1, and you see, I'm going to change this one, this is not synchronized into this point, it's throwing. And if I'm going to change this into, let's say, 12, it's not synchronized. So make it 15, it's like this. And what we can do is just make a dimension and select this point, make it equal, and then again I make it this dimension. I think we need to change this one, we need to change it into, because it's throwing out, make it 17, and then I make a dimension di, and I just select the point and here and make it equal. Now it's synchronized. Now whenever I'm going to change this, make it 10, now make it 17, and because this is hosted to this point, if I'm going to change this angle, this rotational angle, 12, apply, now it's rotating into this axis, center of this point, because this is already hosted into that point. And then again we go back to 0, and then apply, and then now can change all of I can change my dimensions in any dimensions I want, like I'm going to select this, make it 20. Okay, they are all equal. And guys, you can also, if you want to make a different width for this, then you can do it also. And then the next step that I'm going to do is create a point again. Just go to point and place a point here, and then okay, and then again another point, that is level 1, level 2, and then level 3, and we have 4 levels, and then level 4. There is a 4 points that I have created there. And the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to make a formula. And then let's say I want this level to become 10. It's level 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 level. And level 1 will be equal to level, only level 1. Okay. No, level 1 is our level 0, and level 2 will be our level. Here we'll start is equal to level, and then level 3 will be L2 plus level, and then level 4 is level 3 plus level, then apply, and then okay. The next thing that we're going to do, the next steps that we're going to do is click a point. Click this point that we have created, and you need to associate that point, and I'm going to associate it to level 2. Okay, our level 1 is lower ground. This is our level 1, and then level 2 is this is our level 2, and then next is I'm going to again click the point that we have placed a point before, and then again make this one level 3, and then okay. Now we have level 1, level 2, and level 3. Then again we need to again touch this point and again associate parameter, and we have level 4, then okay. Now we have 4 levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. And then the next thing that we're going to do is now we need to create a level, and then make a level, because I have made it 10, 10, 10. I want my level to be 10, 10, 10, 10, then again 10, and then again 10. So we have level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4, and we have created level 2, level 3, and level 4. And then again I'm going to double click this level 2, and in level 2 we're going for a reference, and then make a triangle, rectangle, and then again just go here, and this one is still, it's in level 2, and I want to host this to level 2, to this point 2, and all I need to do is just go back to this host. This is what I'm telling you. You will learn how to host your point. So I'm just picking a point and host it here, host it on that point, and then that's it. And then if I'm going to rotate this, okay, I rotate it 12, right, and it's rotating on this center axis of this point that we have created. So again I'll change this to 0, 0, and then we want this one to move synchronize. I will again I want to make a plane, so just set a plane, and I want this plane to be on this plane top, and then so that I can dimension it, di, and then I'll dimension it, and then again this one, and I will name this I'll name this one WL2. WL2. The meaning is width of level 2, L2, and make it again instance, and then make it this one I want to make it in a group constraints. I constraint it, and then okay, and then again I'll make this one W2 L2, and then if I'm going to change this, make it let's say 20. Again, it's moving like this. It's not moving on the center of this point that we have created. And what we're going to do again is make a DI, and then you select this line and this point and that point and make it equal. And again, I'm going to select this and this point and this point, and again make it equal. And then if I'm going to change my dimension, let's say I want my dimension to become 10. Okay, make it 20 because they are all 20. Okay, and again if I'm going to rotate this point, okay, I just select this point and rotate it to 12, right? And then it's rotating on this center line of this point that we have created. Okay, and then again make this one again back to same 0, rotation angle 0, and then back. Then again this one I'm going to open our level 3, and then again I'm going to make a reference line angle, and then just make that line and go back to this, and now these are all disturbing. I just want to make it select all instances in entire project. I just select that one, and then we need to hide it, hide elements, and then they're gone. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is next step that I'm going to do will again set our reference plane. I will just want to set my reference plane here, and then DI, and then DI, and then touch this, and then this one, and then we make this parameter WL3, and then make it instance, and then make this one also their constraints. You group it in constraints, and then okay, and then again you need to change this one and change it to W3. Now again it's, if I want to change this to 20, it's not again synchronized. It's not moving on the center of this point. So again we will repeat it, TI, and then click that point and this, and make it equal, and then again click this and this point and this point and make it equal. Now they are all equal now. Okay, and then the last geometry that we're going to create is the geometry here on that fourth. But let's check this if it's rotating also on same point and angle. Okay, now it's rotating, but I think this one is not hosted to the point, so we need to host it to the peak point. we need to host this to this pick point. Cannot pick it. Cannot pick it. So go to, I'll just select this level 3 and then host this and then pick. I cannot pick it. I think make it show host, and then I'm going to host it to pick. I think plane and then 3D and then I think pick. Still I couldn't pick it. Okay, we will do it again because I forget to host this, and in level 3 just create will not make it 3D, will create a reference rectangle, and then just this is the one that we forget to host, and then just click it and host it to. Now I have hosted it there. Now you click this and now it's hosted to that point. That's the thing that we have neglected. We forget to reference it. And again I will just go and dimension this and then dimension this also, and then again we'll place this one as our W3 and this one is also W3. Now because it is already hosted DI, I think it will rotate now. That's the thing that we forget earlier, and then equal, and then also this one and this one and this, and then make it equal, and then if I want to change my dimension, make it 20. Okay, and then let's see if this one will rotate, then make it 12. Apply. Now it's rotating. Now there is no more problem. Before we forgot to synchronize it. Don't forget this, guys. You need to always host this to the point. That's our third thing that we're going to learn in this channel. You will learn how to host your point, and then again this last thing that we're going to create another geometry is our fourth, and place this one again in 0 and then apply, and then again I'm going to double click this level 4 and then going to make a reference plane, a reference line, and make a reference line like this, and then go back to 3D, just go back to 3D, and then don't forget to host this to your point. Pick a point, and I pick that, and now they are already hosted. And then if it's already hosted, you just pick this point and again check it. Now it's flexing. Always don't forget guys to check if it's flexing or not. Now it's flexing, and then again pick that point and then again make it 0 and then apply. Now it's flexing. And the last thing that we're going to do is to make the dimension this to this. Okay, I need to set my reference plane. I set it here, tab, and then DI, and then this, and then this one and this one, and then you need to make a parameter, and then I'm going to name this one WL4. and then instance, and then make this one, you group it to constraints, and then okay. And then also this, you need to make it also WL4, and then now it's okay. Now if I want to change this, I'm going to change it to 20, and then 20. Now, and again it's not synchronized to that point. So what we need to do is just again make it equal, and then think we need to change this. We need to change this into 20 because it's throwing there, and then di or for dimension, then I will dimension it from here, and then this point and this point, and again make it equal. Now it's equal. If we're going to change this to 20, then 20. Now this is our last parameter. So let's check our family types. Now our W1, or this one, we need to place it in constraint. Make it a constraint, and then again we'll make this what you call this constraint. Okay, and then we'll make a parameter named constraint or rotation. We will name it RO, or for rotation, or RO1, RO2, RO3, and RO4. So rotation or ROT, it's or twist. We will name it twist, or for W1. Okay, that is nice. Now we will make it TW for twist, TW1. Make it instance, and then make it angle, and then again place it there, or dimensions is okay. And then again number 2, we'll again make it TW for twist, and then make this one angle, and then instance, and then dimensions. Okay, again I'll make it another one parameter, and make it TW3, and then make this one angle, and then make it also instance, and then okay. And then again our last TW is TW4, and then make it instance, and then make it angle, and then okay. And then another one, I will name it only TW, okay, capital W, and instance, and then here we will name it constraints, and then constraint, and this one also angle, then okay. I already have TW. Okay, I don't have TW2, TW1, TW. Okay, I don't have TW2, so make it TW2, and we'll place this one also in dimensions and instance, then okay. So this TW, I want to place it there in constraints, then constraints, okay, and then okay. Now we'll make a formula again. So we can close all this one, and then select all instance in entire project, and then close, hide elements. Now this is our form, and then again I want to make a formula, and I'm going to make a formula for TW, and TW that we made, Where is the TW? Oh, it's not created. I forgot to apply. Sorry guys. Now we will make it again. Don't forget to apply TW and then instance and then make it angle and then I'll make it strange and then okay. Then again another one, I'll make again another one TW1 and then instance and then next one dimension apply and then again TW2 make it instance and then this one make it angle and then dimensions. Okay, again another one TW3 make it instance and then this one angle and then dimensions. Okay, and then again the last one I'm going to make is TW4 and make it length or angle again, change that length, dimensions, then okay, then apply. Don't forget that guys, always apply. And this one I forget to place it instance, so edit it and make it instance and then okay, then apply. And then I'm going to change this one into 12 and then apply. And then if I want to make this TW is equal to T1, or just make that one 0 on TW and make this one equal to TW. It means to say our T1 or our level 1 will remain 0. And then this one I'll just make it TW plus. Make it TW2 because this is TW2, and then I make this one TW4 TW, make it capital W plus TW3 and then apply and then okay, and then I'm going to select this one, and then in rotational angle there is also an associate, this small tab, associate family. So I'm going to associate this one into our TW2, associate TW2, okay, and then also this I will associate it to TW3, associate to TW3, and then this one I'm going to associate it to TW4. Okay, now we can check. I'm going for this family type and then can make this one TW0, apply, and then make this one 13, apply. Now it is rotating on their own points or axis. It will not throw like what we have done before. Okay, and then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a form. So just make this one TW0, apply, and then just select this, and this, and you can make a form. Now it is a form. Now let's check. Now from reference, from our family type, we want to rotate it, make it 12, apply. Now it's twisting, make it 30, apply. Now it's twisting and it's steady. It's not throwing outside. And then you want to change your W2. Maybe our W2, I want to change it to 30. Apply. It's bonding now. and then I want to change my W3 into 40, and then apply, and then I want to change my W4 into 50, and then apply, and then you see this is our form. Okay, now that's it guys, and on our next video, now I'm going to introduce to you a new topic. Now we have all completed our discussions regarding massing environment, and you just only stick on my on all the tutorials that I have shared with you guys, and you can do a lot of difficult form you want to make, a lot of concept ideas that is there in your mind, you can create it. Now that's it guys, see you on another video. Bye bye.